I'm Andy Dole. I'm a sixth-generation farmer here in Mattoon, Illinois. I farm here alongside my dad, my uncles, and my sister to grow corn and soybeans in what I would say is a variable but productive part of the Corn Belt. It's about pushing top-end yield potential, striving to grow more bushels for us corn or soybeans, and at the same time doing it in a way that is financially efficient. I don't think as a grower, I would turn down any opportunities to trial new products. As long as you have the ability to set aside that area in the field and apply that product and get the yield data, there's no harm in testing different alternatives. And you're never gonna learn on your own farm unless you go out there and try new things. And I think that's the biggest thing, is to listen to people, but draw your own conclusions, and the most valuable ones come from your own fields. With the price of almost any product, even the cheapest products, they add up fairly quickly. I think that when you're weighing those options on your farm, the first thing you can do is listen to anecdotal data and stories from either neighboring growers, local retailers, representatives of companies, and then also look at independent results from universities, or even the companies themselves provide good data. And then once you're confident in maybe a portfolio of things you want to try on your farm, tiptoe your way into it. I would never recommend that someone goes whole hog the first year. If there's a 40 you want to split or an 80 you want to split, to maybe try a fungicide, an insecticide, or a different crop protectant. That's the way to start, because then you can actually visualize and quantify the effectiveness of a chemistry, any kind of crop solution. And then if you see success and you're happy with the results, the ROI, then you scale it out on your whole farm. One thing I've learned when it comes to trying to push yields on corn from my own experiences is that corn seems to love to be treated like a princess all growing season. Crop health is incredibly important. Good planting conditions, everything adds up for corn.